All right, welcome to the first garage build night type thingy, whatever we're gonna call it, here at Domestic Violence Racing. It's your boy Driftmaro Shenanigans, and tonight I'm gonna be installing my brand new oil pan drain plug for turbo things. I'm gonna be installing that on this 3800 behind me, so we can get ready for boosty things. The plan is to get this thing at least running the next few days. It might not be boosted out the bat, but since this is kind of a no fucks given build, I'm just gonna run the exhaust straight up out the hood until I get the turbo on it, cause my welder is a piece of shit. So cheers, and hope you guys enjoy the show. About to have some fun making this old dinosaur work on this 100-year-old push rod technology. So enjoy the show. Let's get to it, guys. But first, drinks. Swivel socket. Wanna be my friend? No? I'm gonna make you my bitch friend. As long as my motor skills allow it. Ah! What the fuck is this? The fuck is this? Did that fall out of here? Maybe that fell out of there. I hope so. That's going to require a magnet to get out. Alrighty. That's a little concerning. Not sure what that is. Guess it's a blessing in disguise I dropped that though. Alrighty. I hope you guys are having fun staring at my atrocious welds. Ugh. Yummy. Dab do ya? This is a weird fucking gasket, but it's a gasket. Don't do this at home, kids. pretty happy. I'm actually making some progress. I didn't know if I was gonna have the motivation to get anything done tonight, but it seems that I did. So shout out to Mike's Heart. I would have drank the Hennessy, but I wouldn't have got shit done. So yeah, let's not actually get drunk. Let's just get buzzed enough to not care, which is how that went. So I'm pretty proud of myself for tonight. Yep, I am pretty proud. So until the next time, I'm not sure if I'm gonna turn this into one video or two. I might make it into just one long video. Well, I won't say long, but I might just make it into one video, so that way I can make it look like it all happened at a fairly decent pace. It's really not a lot of stuff that isn't just boring wrenching that is going to be entertaining enough to make into 2 videos. I might just make it one, like, just to see what happens or how that goes. But you guys haven't gotten a tour of the shop, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now in between videos. So yeah, this is my pride and joy, Athena. She is a 1995 Cadillac Fleetwood. It is my second Fleetwood, second DCM car. I love this thing. This is my heart and soul right here. She got a LQ4 6-liter iron block LS swap, HX55 turbo dinosaur shit, but I like whole sets. They've never done me wrong, so you can't beat them for the price. They make power. Custom fabbed, custom fabricated turbo setup there. Got my intercooler, big ass intercooler and radiator and all that. And this is the Camaro. This is the other project we have here. Well, one of the many projects we have over here at Domestic Violence Racing. This is a car picked up from a friend for practically pennies. And it's a 3800 5-speed car, 2000 Camaro. Clean as hell. It's clean as all get out. I had a Series 3 supercharged bottom end. That's what went on the cradle. That's what's going in the car with an HX35 turbo. As of right now, I have like a little bit over $700 in the car. So the goal is to have something I can slide around, learn how to drift in, and spend less than $1,000 doing it, and just have fun and not have any fucks in the meantime, you know. But yeah, this is a boat. That thing takes up the whole garage. It's just hilarious to me. It's kind of dusty, but yeah, it's in a garage, so that's gonna happen. So I appreciate you guys paying attention to the channel. I'm getting some really good feedback over the last few days, so I'll probably do a giveaway or something, give out some domestic violence stickers or something once I hit like 50 subscribers or something like that. Just because for me, I don't really do this for the attention. I do it just because I want to have a way to document it, and I have a lot of people who like to follow the weird and crazy shit that I do over here, man. I'm a fucking character. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, share, subscribe, promote, man. If you see me out somewhere on Woodward or at Byler or at Lapeer, just come up and holler at me, man. I'm the most down-to-earth cat. I just like to talk about cars. That's pretty much all that goes to my head. As I'm sitting at work, the word boost just goes into my head. So I'm the boosted zombie, so what do you expect, you know? Driftmaro Shenanigans signing out. Like, share, subscribe. You guys have a good night.